The terror birds were a group of large, flightless pteropods that lived during the late Paleocene to Pleistocene era. They were considered the apex predators in those environments they inhabited and are identified by their impressive size and powerful beaks. Terror birds' food would have been smaller mammals, reptiles, and other birds. They were likely swift and very efficient runners that relied on their long legs for the pursuit of prey. Their strong beaks were the weapons that could trap and also kill prey, comparable to hunting in the way modern large predatory birds do today.